Hello wannabe mechanics, in this video we will show you how to do the maintenance job on a 2010 Mercedes C180 or W204 equipped with a 1.6 liters petrol engine, 156 horsepower. You will need just a few cheap tools and no mechanical expertise. For this operation you will need the following: a T25 for the air filter, a 27mm socket for the oil filter, a flat-end screwdriver for the O-rings on the oil filter, a T20 for the pollen filter, the new air filter, the new pollen filter, the oil filter, .5 liters of engine oil, and a very cheap oil pump that you can connect to the car battery because this model has no drain plug. First remove the dipstick and insert the vacuum hose of your pump or your oil extractor if you have one all the way down. Extract all the oil. Use the 27mm socket to remove the cap of the oil filter's housing. The oil filter will stick to it. Replace the old O-rings with the new ones. Insert the new oil filter. Thread the cap back in along with the oil filter. And tighten the cap or apply a torque of 25 Nm if you have a torque wrench. Pour 5.5 liters of oil and check the dipstick. Remove the 6 T25 bolts holding the cap of the air filter's housing. Clean the housing and replace the old air filter. To replace the pollen filter, you just have to remove the 4 T20 bolts under the passenger's side dashboard. Take out the plastic panel for a better access. To take out the cap of the pollen filter's housing, you just have to slide it to the left and it will come off. Place the new one inside, oriented the same way, and you are done. Great job, guys! Thank you very much for watching. Use the comments section for any questions or suggestions, and if you find our videos interesting, make sure you subscribe for the latest Wannabe Mechanic videos. Bye bye!